Shalom, friends. Another short sharing from the heart. Guys, have you ever imagined what it would feel like to finally walk into a house that you can call your own? Yung talagang sa'yo na. Hindi yung nire-rent mo or hindi yung pinahiram sa'yo, pinagamit lang sa'yo, but something that you really work and prayed for. Kasi alam mo, sa buhay, a lot of people stop dreaming, especially when life gets hard. They think owning a beautiful home is only para din sa mga swerte, para din sa mayayaman, para din sa mga successful people. Pero alam mo, natutunan ko, lahat ng malaking pangarap, guys, nag-uumpisa talaga yan sa maliit. You know, building a house is similar to building your future. Because before you see the walls, the roof, the beautiful design of your house, yung mga workers, first they focus on building the foundation. And foundations are built underground, di mo siya nakikita, di ba? And papansinin mo, madalas yun yung pinakamabagal pagka nililay down nila yung foundation. Hindi lang mabagal, sobrang madumi, messy, and most especially hindi yan nanonotice, lalo na pag natapos na yung bahay. Kasi that's how life journey is. Yung mga early mornings mo, yung mga sakripisyo, pagpupuyat mo, yung mga extra hours na binibigay mo para sa ginagawa mo ngayon o sa trabaho mo. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, remember, you are building the foundation of life na matagal mo nang pinapangarap. Naalala ko, there's a Bible verse that says, by wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. So guys, kahit sa Bible, sinasabi yan. So don't be discouraged if you're not there yet. Okay lang yan. Kasi the progress might look slow for you, but tandaan mo, yung foundations na nabibuild mo, it takes time. And it will be wonderful once natapos tong journey mo to success. And I honestly believe one day you will have it. Kaya, guys, always remember, keep praying, keep working, and keep believing. Because I know one day, hindi mo lang i-imagine itong pangarap mong bahay para sa loved ones mo. But you will open the front door and live in it with them and make a lot more memories and a good ones. So guys, God bless to all of